In this video, we are going to understand the browser restriction for a specific staff or user login. So in user management user list, I click on the specific staff, and here there is a feature called browser restriction. I tick here. It means user will be in position to log in from a registered browser only. And if I click update, then whenever user will log in first time, that browser will be restricted. So here this user, I click login and user login is allowed. Let me log out from here and re-log in here. So user will be in position to log in here. Now when we go back to this form and user list and click here, now we will come to know that a specific browser ID is registered with this user. If you have given browser restrictions, and if you don't see this ID, it means user not yet logged in. And if you try to log in, if user is trying to log in from a different browser, then user will not be allowed. For example, I'm trying to log in from here, and the system will give message browser restricted, please contact your admin. The difference between login only on registered devices and browser restriction. So this login only on registered devices is a broader organization level restrictions. That means if you want that user should be in position to log in within organization from any system, then you should provide this access. If you want that user should only log in from a specific laptop and from a specific browser, then you should give this access. So both access will work differently. If you want to remove the restriction for browser restriction, simply untick this and click update. Then user will be in position to re-log in from any laptop within organization, because we have given this access. Now in this case, browser restriction, when we remove, then that code is also removed from the system. Okay. I have given the access again, and when I click user list and click here, then even though I have given access, but user not yet logged in. If I want user to log in from this, so this is another browser which was not logged in earlier. I click login. User is logged in now. Let me log in user from this browser. User is not allowed now from this browser. Okay, that is, I'm just trying the testing between Chrome and Internet Explorer or Internet Edge. If we see here browser restrictions, we close and click user list again and click on that specific user. This ID is different than the earlier ID. Alright. Now can user be allowed to log in from Google Chrome and from Internet Explorer? As of now, it's not allowed. So user will be in position to log in only from a specific browser. Alright. And so in what scenarios this ID may not work, or so the scenario where this is persisted at the client browser side, but if user explicitly removing the cache or reinstalling or formatting the operating system or reinstalling Google Chrome, in such cases only this ID will get changed. But as a company or organization policy, you should not allow user to deal with the browser, modify the setting of the browser. All right. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.